Hi guys, it's me again, but we're not playing. We are reading. This is from Japan, product from the Llano del Norte. The name of this water is Izumi. Wellness for life. This water contains no protection with influence water. This called the magnificent water. We must go to Llano del Norte to discover this water, or to Mindanao, to Luzon, to Visayas. Tree content will come and drink this water and influence speed. Look guys, I'm drinking it. I didn't drink it. Because I am very silly. My mother said if I open this will expire very fast. So that means we need to help our influence. Mami, nagkuhan pa ko dari mami. And hi guys, that is my mommy. His name is, asa mo ngalan mami? My mother's name is Eileen L. Pakiwag. Ang true name ni, katong wala pa nakasal, Eileen L. Limpiado. Ang nakasal na, Eileen L. Pakiwag. And my name is Caron is Ezekiel L. Pakiwag. Ang galat sa kong papa kay Jason V. Pakiwag. We are a united family. Now, ibasa na natin sa mga cultural and civilization pictures. Izumi Wellness for Life. This Izumi contains water improvement and is very clear. This is the most healthiest water in the world that no one can censor the most gravitation. Kaya guys, nabasa na natin? Asa ang basa? Hapit na kami maglobat, so 20 na tayo na battery, so magdali tayo. Kari ay Izumi! Izumi night, healthy night! Bye! See you next time and be united by Izumi!